everyone and welcome to episode 2 of making my own shed and YouTube studio. And this is how it's going right now, but first let me show you how we got here. So this is what we're doing today. My father assembled this structure. It's just a bunch of those pieces of wood I showed you before, using like big nails. This is how they go, like this is how long they go into the wood. You can see here we have two for each piece of wood. It's pretty big. If you compared it to my hand, you know it's pretty big. It's about the size of my hand. This will be a wall and this will be the outside. So these thin pieces of wood are going to be nailed. These two actually have screws, but the next ones will have nails.
2,30 Paula. Ora, 2,30.
So today I'm prepping the outside wood. I'm using this same product and I'm going to prep this. Two things: do wear your gloves because splinters will happen and I'm not sure you can safely touch this. Also, don't be like me, don't wear flip-flops. Be careful, wood will definitely hurt you. I'll just give you a sneak peek on what we're doing. These are the plans right now. Our first plan was to make the wall somewhere else and then bring it, but turns out it is too heavy, so we are going to build the structure here first and then add the outside wood. So obviously I'm not building this shed by myself. I'm having some help from my parents and they're actually doing a lot of the work right now as I am working. I have a full-time job, so you'll see them every once in a while. They have done most of this. Honestly, I can't claim this. Today I helped getting that support beam up. That's what we were doing just now. I'll show you how we've done it. We used a rope. It was actually half done by the time I got home from work, so I helped a little bit in the end. The cat is going to bite my feet. I should be wearing shoes at this point. When around construction sites, always wear shoes. And that's the DIY tip of the day. The main structure is almost done. It's basically cutting the wood and aligning the wood and a lot of stuff I don't know a lot about. We still have to work on this side, the walls on this side. This side is going to be a porch, so no wall. I am filming this as I go, so I'm not sure what's going to go on each episode, but hope you enjoy this one. Okay, thanks for watching until the end. That's cool of you. See you next time.